Reconciling accounts at month's end can quickly get out of hand. Manually hunting through hundreds or thousands of transactions in an attempt to settle a difference can leave your head spinning and your schedule ruined. But Autobank Rec is here to save the day. No more comparing statements line by line. Let's take a closer look. It all starts in the Autobank Rec module, which automatically pulls in the bank and credit card accounts on your client's QBO or Zero ledger. Information includes the account name and type, whether it's linked to a Smart Connect account, the last reconciliation period and whether it was completed, the number of unreconciled transactions between Botkeeper and the GL, the source of the statement, whether from an upload or Smart Connect, the statement or Smart Connect balance, the balance in the GL, the difference between the two balances, the assignee responsible for the reconciliation, and finally, an action menu that allows for some additional options. Let's take a look at a reconciliation. This one has begun, but isn't complete just yet. We'll click the Action menu and select Resume Reconciliation. Summary information is shown in this area. To the right, you'll find a formula that reveals any outstanding difference between your balances. Here we see $637.18 difference. Next, we see the possible match options. No match means a transaction was on either the GL or the statement, but not on both. Possible match means the platform found two similar transactions, but there is a minor difference that could mean they do not match. Here we see there is one possible match. The difference between them is the date. As luck would have it, this transaction is for the exact amount of our difference. So once we confirm the match, the account is changed to a $0 difference. Confident matches are ones the platform was able to match with no differences. In this case, almost the entire reconciliation was handled by automation. Just our one outstanding match needed confirmation. Now we can click Complete Reconciliation, and we're done. When a statement isn't available yet, you can also reconcile using the Smart Connect feed until the statement becomes available. We'll start this reconciliation and see how it works. Note that because we're comparing the GL to the Smart Connect feed, we can see the confidence rating for the transactions, as well as whether they have been added to the GL. Transactions that are still in the bank feed will not have a corresponding match in the GL. Once it moves to the GL, the platform will be able to match it. Otherwise, your experience will be practically identical to matching against a statement. Now let's review some of the other actions available in Autobank Rec. When you select Review Reconciliation History, you'll be brought to the History per Month tab, where you can review current and past reconciliations. By clicking View Statement, you're brought to the statement used for the reconciliation. You can also visit the folder where the statements are stored by selecting Open Statement Folder. Finally, you can choose to open QBO or Zero directly from the Action menu next to the account. You can also see an audit log for each reconciliation. Just open the reconciliation and select the Audit Log tab. This will show you every action that's occurred throughout the reconciliation process. You can view this log by transaction or by timeline, which shows you what happened and when. You can export these logs to do CSV files. And that's Autobank Rec. Month-end close is now simpler than ever.